Dear class 8 students, today we have to discuss math subject chapter 18. 18.1 there is figure only objective type, so we have to start chapter exercise 18.2 question number 4, that is related to cube and cuboid volume. So here you see what is cube and cuboid figure. You see cube, this is the square sized figure, this is the rectangular sized figure. So when in square sized figure, length, breadth and height, all three dimensions are equal to each other, then we call cube. Like suppose this is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, then we call that is cube. All L, B, H are equal to each other. But here you see, this is the rectangular size. In rectangle, what is there? The length and breadth are different, but in square, sides are equal. So length, breadth and height. Here also, length, breadth and height. If length, breadth, height, three dimension, any one is different magnitude or value, then we call that is a cuboid. So in simply cuboid, length, breadth, height are different, and in cube, all the sides are equal to each other. Formula I have given. Volume of cuboid, volume of this cuboid. Cuboid means this is the cuboid, like this rectangular box duster. This is cuboid. Here it is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. L, B, H, cuboid. If this L, B, H will be same to each other, then it is called the cube. So volume of cuboid is equal to length, breadth, height into, then volume of cube is equal to side cube, means side into side into side. Let us come to question number 4. You have to go through the question number 4 in your textbook. Due to short of the space, we cannot write the question. So you have to, when you will go through this explanation, you have to take your textbook and see the question from your textbook. Question number 4. It is given that there is a packet, like cuboidal packet, which we generally use for the sweet packet, yeah, whatever maybe. Its length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 6 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter. What is the volume of the packet? The volume of packet, it is as it is cuboidal packet, so volume of cuboidal packet is equal to, formula is L into B into H. So value you put 10 into 6 into 4 and at the last centimeter cube, because centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, at the last it will be centimeter cube. So altogether it will be 240 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of packet is 240 centimeter cube. Now come to question number 8. The question number 8 is given that there is a tank. In the tank length is 3.5 meter, the breadth is equal to 2 meter, and height of the water in the tank is, that is 1.2 meter. So question is that what is the volume of water, not the volume of tank but volume of water. So now volume of water in the tank is equal to length of tank into breadth of tank into height of not tank but water. So now 3.5 into 2 into 1.2, as it is meter cube. So altogether it will be 8.40 meter cube. So therefore the volume of water in tank is 8.40 meter cube. Now question number 9 will come. In question number 9, there is question is given soap, means like your just put the dot. Okay, question number 9 we are coming once again. That is the soap is there. Soap, you know, all of you, it is the soap, Lifebuoy soap. Generally we are using nowadays for corona purpose, washing the hand with the soap. So this is the soap cake. This is called the soap cake. So its length is given, breadth is given, and height is given. So length of soap 7 centimeter, breadth of soap 5 centimeter, and height of the soap is 2.5 centimeter. This is the soap, and this soap is kept inside a cartoon box whose length is 56 centimeter, breadth is 40 centimeter, and height is 25 centimeter. So question is there, how many such type of soap cake can be placed inside the cartoon box? So we have to find out also how many soap we can adjust inside the cartoon box by this way. Number of soap we can place in the cartoon box is equal to volume of the cardboard box or cartoon box divided by volume of each soap. then we will get number of soap. So this is the formula. Now volume of cardboard box L into B into H, because its L, B, H are different, so it is cuboid. So L into B into H by volume of each soap L into B into H, L into B into H. For the soap I have written small letter, and for the cardboard I have taken capital letter. So LBH by LBH. Now value you put from here 56 into 40 into 25, and at the last centimeter cube, and this will be 7 into 5 into 2.5. Now you can write this one 2.5 or 25 by 10 also centimeter, because point, if we want to remove the point, then 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. So this 10 I have taken upside and 25 is downside. 2.5 I have written 10 by 25. Now if we will cancel this number, like 7 8 are 56, 5 8 are 40, 25 cancel, centimeter cancel. What is left? 8 into 8 into 10, that is 640. Therefore 640 soaps cakes can be placed in the carton box. Clear, I think? Now we will come to the question number 12. Now in question number 12 saying that in a rainy day there is a terrace field, means that is a rectangular field. So in the rectangular field, the length is given 3 meter, breadth is given 8 meter, and due to the rains for certain time, the height of the water stagnated in the terrace field is 5 centimeter. But here as it is given length 8 meter, that is 8 meter and 8 meter, and height is centimeter given, we have to convert this unit into meter again. So if you want to change centimeter into meter, then the number will be divided by 100. So 5 centimeter will be 5 by 100 meter. Now all three are same unit. Always we have to keep in our mind the units should be same before solution. Now volume of the water in the terrace field equal to volume of water in the terrace field is equal to, as it is cuboidal field, so L into B into H equal to 8 into 8 into 5 by 100. Multiply all these three. 8 64 into 5 equal to 320 by 100. 0 cancel. 32 by 10 can be written as 3.2 meter cube. Then 3.2 meter cube. But in question it is asking to find out the volume of water in liter. So meter cube can be converted into liter by multiplying with 1000, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 3.2 into 1000 liter equal to, this point will be removed by 10 and 20 left, so 3200 liter. Therefore volume of water in field is 3200 liter. So this is 18.2 is over. So what are the questions are left? It is for your home assignment. If you get difficult to do this one, you can ask me through the group. Okay, thank you very much.